So, students, today's topic of discussion is electromagnetic induction. This is very interesting topic. Actually, what happened when scientists found at that time, when scientists found that if there is a current in a wire, then a magnetic field is produced around it. क्या देखा उन्होंने कि if it is a current in a wire, if a conductor or a wire or any type of conductor, a current is flowing in that conductor, what happened? A magnetic field is produced around it. So they thought against this. If there is a magnetic field, what they have discussed, that if there is a magnetic field, then definitely there should be a current. क्योंकि साइंस लॉजिक पे बेस्ड होती है. उन्होंने कहा कि इफ करंट है तो वहां पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हो गया. तो अगर कहीं पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, इफ देयर इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन एनी रीजन, देन डेफिनेटली देयर शुड बी ए करंट. बट उनको कोई सक्सेस नहीं मिला. एस व्हेन वी थिंक लाइक दैट, they couldn't receive any type of success. After then, Faraday suggested that this is not a matter of magnetic field. This is a matter of change in magnetic field. Means if the flux linkage. So in this topic, first after this introduction, we have discussed flux. So he suggested that the flux linkage in any conductor change with time, vary with time. Then a current is induced in that conductor. Means क्या होगा, फिर से समझिए. Suppose this is a conductor or coil and this is a magnetic field, magnet. And both are stand still, both are in position of rest with respect to each other. Then what happened? There is a magnetic field. Some magnetic field are linked with this coil, but there is no current. No current. Why there is no current? Because the flux linkage is not vary with time. टाइम के साथ ये चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. When this is not varied with time, that means there is no current is introduced in this conductor or coil. But if there is a relative motion, there is a relative motion in this magnetic field and coil, means the flux linkage with this coil is changed with the time. टाइम के साथ ये फ्लक्स जो है वो चेंज हो रहा है, जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस है वो चेंज हो रहे हैं. अगर ऐसा पॉसिबल है, देन ए करंट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड और इंड्यूस्ड. बेसिकली दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज टर्म इज इंड्यूस्ड. दिस इज नॉट प्रोड्यूस्ड, दिस इज इंड्यूस्ड करंट. व्हाई इट इज इंड्यूस्ड? दिस इज इंड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू दिस मोशन. एज वेल एज मोशन अगर current is induced. When there is no relative motion, the current will not be induced. So that's why we are not using term produced here. This current is induced in this coil. When it is induced, when there is a relative motion in magnetic field and conductor. So that's why this current means this magnet and this coil. there is a relative motion. Okay, like this. This is a coil. This is, if they are moving simultaneously, no current will introduce, no current will induced. But if there is a motion, a relative motion between this coil and magnet, that means an current is induced in this coil. That's why this is called electromagnetic induction. Now, second thing, what is flux? We have discussed first of flux. As in case of electric field, flux phi equal to what? E dot ds. ठीक है, this is d phi E dot ds. In the same way, what is E? Electric field है, electric field, and what is ds? This is area placed inside the electric field. In the same way, if a magnetic field is there and we place some, this is ds. So number of magnetic field line passing through this area is called this is what? This is magnetic flux. Flux linked with this. This is what? This is magnetic flux. So again, this is vector quantity, this is vector quantity, but flux is not a vector quantity. Flux is a scalar quantity, and in the same way as in case of electric field, this is again E dot ds, B dot ds. So this is what? This is flux, and this is what? This is electromagnetic induction. This is general introduction of electromagnetic induction. In next lecture, in next video, we will discuss about Faraday's law. जो Faraday ने ये तो दिया, ठीक है, then उन्होंने एक रिजल्ट हमारे सामने दिया और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट है. तो हम नेक्स्ट उसमें वो Faraday's का रूल और then Lenz law we will discuss.